Nothing Phone 2 Leaks and Rumors. The Nothing Phone 2's launch is about to shake things up in the tech world. Led by the one and only Carl Pei, CEO extraordinaire, Nothing is gearing up to drop a bombshell of innovation with its latest creation. Now, you might have heard some buzz about this on social media, and let me tell you, it's all true. The Nothing Phone 2 isn't just another run-of-the-mill device. It's a game changer. We've been scouring the web for leaks and rumors, and yes, the hype is real. We'll be delving into all the juicy leaks and rumors, uncovering the secrets behind the sleek design and mind-blowing features that make the Nothing Phone 2 truly special. And word on the street is, even if you were a die-hard fan of the original phone from 2022, you might just find yourself itching to upgrade to this bad boy. Affordable innovation. For those of you unfamiliar, the Nothing Phone 2A emerges as a budget-friendly alternative to its predecessor, the Nothing Phone 2, which currently holds its ground in the upper echelons of the mid-range smartphone market. Notably, the Phone 2A aims to supplant the aging Phone 1 as Nothing's accessible offering to the masses. While the Phone 2A may not claim the title of Nothing's most groundbreaking smartphone to date, it ventures into the fiercely competitive sub-INR 30,000 segment with a distinct charm. Amidst giants like Xiaomi, Oppo, Samsung, Realme, and Vivo, the Phone 2A stands out with its unique design and commitment to a clean Android experience, potentially appealing to a broader audience seeking affordable yet innovative options. Design and specs. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to take a whimsical journey into the design wonderland of Nothing Phone 2A. Strap in as we dissect the leaked CAD renders from SmartPrix and uncover the delightful quirks that await. The Nothing Phone 2A proudly carries on the tradition of its predecessors with a nod to semi-transparency, but with a zesty new pattern that's sure to turn heads. Say goodbye to wireless charging coils because the iconic circular patch has taken a bold leap to embrace the centrally placed dual cameras. Who knew camera housing could be so adventurous? Now let's talk about glyph lights. These little bursts of LED magic adds flair to our tech lives. While the Phone 2A may have fewer of these enchanting beacons, fear not, they're not just for show. They promise a host of nifty functionalities. It's like having a disco party in your pocket, minus the awkward dance moves. But wait, the Phone 2A isn't just about flashy lights, it's a beacon of design excellence. With its flat sides and sleek bezels, it's the poster child for smartphone sophistication. However, brace yourself for a potential plot twist. Leaked photos of a PVT unit suggest a shakeup in the camera layout, teasing us with the possibility of a vertical arrangement. Who says smartphones can't keep us on our toes? And let's not forget the display, a feast for the eyes, courtesy of Visionix and BOE. With a 6.7-inch, 120Hz OLED panel, it's like staring into the future. Well, not literally, but you get the idea. Now, on to the juicy gossip about the chipset. While the Phone 2A may not boast the Snapdragon prowess of its predecessor, it's no slouch either. Rumor has it it'll cozy up next to the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 SoC, promising a decent performance that won't break the bank. And according to a recent link from SmartPrix, the Nothing Phone 2A is rumored to sport dual 50MP rear cameras. For the primary camera, Nothing is said to opt for a 1 to 1.5-inch Samsung S5 M9 sensor, while the ultra-wide duties may fall on a 50MP Samsung S5 JN1 sensor. Selfie aficionados might rejoice as the Nothing could employ the 32MP Sony IMX615 sensor for front-facing shots. While the camera setup on the Nothing Phone 2 left something to be desired initially, subsequent updates have made strides in improving performance. However, it's advisable not to set your expectations too high, for the Phone 2A's 50MP cameras revolutionizing the imaging experience. Details regarding the battery capacity of the Phone 2a have yet to surface. Nevertheless, given its spacious 6.7-inch display, it's reasonable to anticipate a battery ranging from 4500 mAh to 4800 mAh. Paired with the Dimensity chip crafted on TSMC's 4nm node, the Phone 2a is poised to offer robust all-day battery longevity. The delights of Nothing OS on the Phone 2a. With the Phone 1 and 2, Nothing not only wowed us with their unique designs, but also tantalized our tech-savvy taste buds with promise of clean user experience. Let's rewind a bit to the debut of Nothing OS. Sure, it stumbled a bit out of the gate, with more bugs than a rainforest on a summer day, but fear not, dear users, for Nothing persevered and emerged victorious with Nothing OS 2, a shining beacon of stability in a sea of glitches. Now, if you found yourself smitten with the sleek simplicity of the Nothing OS on the Phone 1 or 2, you're in for a treat with the Phone 2a. Rumor has it that this budget-friendly darling will strut its stuff with the same beloved skin, offering a user experience that's as smooth as butter on a hot skillet. But before you go sprinting to pre-order, there's a catch. With the scaled-down glyph lights on the Phone 2a, you might notice a few missing customization options and features. It's like having a cake with fewer sprinkles. It's delicious, but you can't help but long for that extra pizzazz. Now let's talk updates. With the Phone 2, Nothing boldly promised 3 years of OS updates and bi-monthly security patches. That's like committing to watering your houseplants every day for 3 years. Ambitious, to say the least. While we eagerly await official word on the Phone 2a's update schedule, it would indeed be a pleasant surprise if Nothing extends the same level of software support to its budget-friendly offspring. Price and availability. The Phone 2a is poised to offer a compelling value proposition, particularly in markets where price sensitivity reigns supreme. Rumors suggest that the Phone 2a could hit the market with a price tag of around $400, positioning it as a more budget-friendly alternative to the Phone 2 while still delivering impressive specification. Considering the rumored specifications and features, this price point appears to strike a balance between affordability and functionality, making the Phone 2a an enticing option for consumers seeking quality without breaking the bank. Regrettably, recent develops indicate that the Phone 2a won't be making its way to the US market in any substantial manner. Following a similar trajectory as its predecessor, Nothing plans to introduce its budget-friendly offering to North American fans through a limited developer program, exclusively available for purchase on the company's website. For those holding out hope to spot the Phone 2a showcased at their nearby Best Buy or conveniently available on Amazon, it's time for a reality check. The prospects of encountering this device through traditional retail channels appear dim, signaling that the enthusiasts may need to turn to Nothing's website to get their hands on it. Competition. Now, the sweet symphony of smartphone competition. As the rumored $400 price tag of the Nothing 2a looms on the horizon, it finds itself thrust into the ring with formidable foes, the Samsung Galaxy A54 and the Google Pixel 7a. It's a battle royale for the ages, folks. On one side, we have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and the Google Pixel 7a, both wielding superb displays and snapping stellar photos like nobody's business. Sure, they may strut around with a $500 price tag, but don't be fooled. With frequent discounts, they often dance to around the $400 ballpark. Let's not forget the OnePlus 12R, poised to storm North America and Europe like a smartphone tempest. Now, the Nothing Phone 2a may not wield the same photographic prowess as its illustrious adversaries, but fear not. Armed with a rumored MediaTek SoC, it's primed to deliver top-notch performance that'll make your thumbs dance with delight. Plus, for those tired of the bloated One UI experience or left pining for the Pixel 7a in regions where it's scarce as a unicorn, the Phone 2a emerges as a shining beacon of choice. So what do you think? Are you intrigued by the whispers of innovative design and powerful specs? Or perhaps you're holding out for a more concrete detail before passing judgment? Whatever your thoughts may be, we want to hear from you. Drop us a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 2 and all its potential glory. And if you've enjoyed this journey through the world of the Nothing Phone 2, leaks and rumors, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more juicy tech content. Thanks for watching.